Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Now we are studying chapter number 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. In this video we are going to study rational algebraic expressions, practice set 6.4 based on that. First question is simplify. First example of this is m square plus n square upon m plus n bracket square multiplied by m square plus mn plus n square upon m cube minus n cube. Means here all expansions we have to use simultaneously and we have to simplify, means we have to solve this and we have to find the value. Let's see one by one. First, m square minus n square. This is a square minus b square. Expansion of a square minus b square is a plus b in first bracket, second bracket a minus b. But here variables are mn. Therefore, first bracket m plus n means sum of two terms. Second bracket m minus n. This is the expansion of this upon here m plus n bracket square. Now m plus n bracket square here is m plus n. We can write this square two times. No need to expand this. M plus n multiplied by m plus n two times. Square is there, no? That's why two times. Multiplied by. Now we cannot expand this. Write as it is. M square plus mn plus n square upon m cube minus n cube. We can expand this. Expansion of this is m minus n first bracket, second bracket m square minus mn here plus n square. Okay. Now is equal to here. Now let's see what we can cancel. M plus n bracket we can cancel. Here is multiply sign. Here m minus n we can cancel. Okay. Now what is left here? This bracket, this, and here m square minus mn plus. Now one thing here is minus, no? Then when we write expansion, here this sign will change. Means it becomes plus. Remember that, because by mistake that should happen. If here is minus, this sign becomes plus. If here is plus, here is minus. Now by this we can cancel this bracket also. Cancel this bracket. Now what is left? Here nothing, means 1 upon, and here only one bracket m plus n. It is simplified. Now example number 2. A square plus 10a plus 21. This is quadratic equation, quadratic expression. We have to factorize it. Now see here 21. We want factors of 21 such that sum 10. 7 3s are 21. Right? Sum product 21. 7 3s are 21 and 7 plus 3 10. Factors are a plus 7, a plus 3. 7 3s are 21, 7 plus 3 10 upon, here also you see a square plus 6a minus 7 minus 7 here difference of 6. Now 7 is prime, therefore factors are 7 ones are only, 7 ones are, therefore here a middle term sign a plus 7, ones are a minus 1. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 and 7 minus 1 6. Okay, we can write directly. Multiplied by here difference a square minus b square. 1 is also perfect square, therefore a square minus 1 square. So first bracket a plus 1, second bracket a minus 1 upon a plus 3 as it is. All terms are expanded. Now let's see what we can cancel. A plus 7 cancel, a plus 3 cancel, a minus 1 cancel, and answer is a plus 1. This is simplified. Example number 3. 8x cube minus 27y cube upon 4x square minus 9y square. If you can write directly its expanded form, you can write. Otherwise, if you cannot do one extra step, you can write. First of all, write them in square root form. Square root of, here cube root, here square root. Cube root of 8, 2. Cube root of x cube x, bracket cube, minus cube root of 27, 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Cube root of y cube y, bracket cube. Okay. Here also same, here square root of 4, 2, x, bracket square, minus square root of 3, square root of 9, 3, y, bracket square, is equal to, now expanded form of this. First bracket, 2x minus 3y, second bracket, square of first means 4x square, sign will change, plus product of these two terms, 3 2s are 6, xy, plus square of second term 3y means 9y square, bracket close, upon, here also a square minus b square, first bracket 2x plus 3y and second bracket 2x minus 3y is equal to, and now what can we cancel? 2x minus 3y cancel, and that is the simplified form. Here write as it is 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y. This is simplified form of this. Example number 4, x square minus 5x minus 24, product 24, difference 5. 8 3s are 24, 8 minus 3, 5. Factors are x minus 8, x plus 3. See, 8 3s are 24 minus, and minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 upon these two brackets as it is, multiplied by here x square minus 8 square, x square minus 8 square. Okay, here 8 square means factors are x plus 8, x minus 8, a plus b, a minus b, square root of 64, 8 upon here this bracket 2 times, x minus 8, x minus 8. Now like terms we have to cancel. What can we cancel? You see, x minus 8, x minus 8, x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 8, x plus 8, x minus 8, x minus 8. All brackets are cancelled. Nothing is left. Nothing means 1. If our answer is here 1. Example number 5. 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4. Now here generally we can write here direct expansion, but if you cannot write directly, in rough you can solve that. Okay, let's see now. Here I explain you. 3x square minus x minus 2. Okay, now 3 2s are 6 minus 6. Okay, now we want difference 1, then 3 2s are middle term sign minus, we give to higher. It is negative, then its opposite means minus 1. Now we will replace these two values here. 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. After that grouping we do. Okay, common in them 3x in bracket. What is left? X minus 1 plus 2 common, x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 common bracket and second bracket uncommon 3x plus 2. Now these are factors. In rough you can do. Now we write directly this here, x minus 1 second bracket 3x plus 2 bracket close over upon. Now here we can write directly here. Factors, product 12 minus 7 difference, 4 3s are 4 3s are minus 4 minus 3. Therefore here we can write x minus 4 x minus 3. You see here 4 3s are 12, minus minus plus, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, divided by. Now here also same, we can solve like this. I explain here. Okay, 3x square minus 7x minus 6. 6 3s are 18, minus 18. Okay, product of first and last. Now factors of 18, difference minus 7. Then what can we do? 9 2s are 9 2s are middle term minus, it is negative, opposite, minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. Replace them here. 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Grouping. Okay, after that common in them 3x. If 3x is common, x minus 3, here 3 3s are, plus here 2 common, x minus 3. If factors are x minus 3, 3x plus 2. These are factors of this. X minus 3, second bracket 3x plus 2, divided by x square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square x square minus 2 square. Then we can write it as x plus 2, x minus 2. Here is divide, we cannot cancel if here is division. Write first fraction as it is, x minus 1, 3x plus 2 upon x minus 4, x minus 3. Here is division, multiply here. You have to multiply. And when we multiply here, we have to take reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means interchange of numerator and denominator. X plus 2, x minus 2, and numerator will come here. X minus 3, 3x plus 2. Now here we got multiplication. Now we can cancel like terms. Let's see what can be cancelled here. 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Now we cannot do anything here, right? Whatever terms are left, brackets are left. X minus 1 is x square minus 4 as it is, because nothing is cancelled there. And here x minus 4, here this bracket 2 times means x minus 3 bracket square. This is the simplified form of this. Example number 6. Now again this is quadratic expression. In rough you can see 4 6 are 24. Middle term is 11. Therefore here 12 2s are, we cannot do. 6 4s are, 8 3s are. Okay, 8 3s are 24 and 8 plus 3 11. Middle term sign minus, here is positive, that's why same sign here. Let's see here, I explain. 4x square minus 11x plus 6. Now put these two values here, replacement. 4x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 6. Grouping. 4x common in bracket, x minus 2 minus 3 common, x minus 2. X minus 2, 4x minus 3. These are factors of this. Therefore put this here. X minus 2, 4x minus 3, bracket close upon. Now here formula, a square minus b square. But a square minus b square means we want this in square root. Square root of 16 4, 4x bracket square minus 3 bracket square. Therefore in first bracket there will be 4x plus 3. Second bracket 4x minus 3. 4 4s are 16, x square minus 9 is equal to cancellation. 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 cancel. X minus 2 upon 4x plus 3 in bracket, and that is the simplified value of this. Let's see example number 7. A cube minus 27. A cube minus 27, convert them into cube root form. 27 is the cube of 3. Therefore here we can write a cube minus 3 cube. Okay, a cube minus 3 cube means in such form, cube root form, upon, here we have to solve this. We have to solve. Let's see. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Factors of 15, 16 we want, 15 1s are then. Middle term minus, here it is positive, same sign, minus 15 minus 1 minus 16. Now here let's put value. 5a square minus 16a plus 3. Replacement. 5a square minus 15a minus 1a plus 3. Grouping. 5a common in bracket. A minus 3 minus 1 common. A minus 3. Because here minus sign is out, its sign will change. A minus 3, 5a minus 1. These are factors. Then write here a minus 3, 5a minus 1. If you don't know how to factorize directly, you can solve like this in the rough and then write value. Divided by, now here also, here you see a square plus 3a plus 9. Now here we cannot factorize. 9 ones are 9, we don't get 3. 3 3s are 9, we don't get 3. Therefore, write that as it is. A plus 3a plus 9, we cannot factorize this a square here. Upon, here we can do 25 square minus 1 means a square minus b square. We can write this as 5a bracket square minus 1 bracket square. One extra step, okay, is equal to, here a cube minus 3 cube, expansion of this is a minus 3 first bracket, square of first a square, sign will change, plus product of these two 3a plus square of second 9, upon brackets as it is a minus 3 5a minus 1, here divided by bracket as it is a square plus 3a plus 9, upon square formula a square minus b square, then a plus b, a minus b is equal to first fraction as it is. But here first fraction as it is, but here we can cancel this. A minus 3 we can cancel. Then this bracket a square minus plus 3a plus 9 bracket close upon 5a minus 1. Here is division, then you multiply. Take reciprocal of this. 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1 upon a square plus 3a plus 9 bracket close. Now see what can we cancel. This bracket will cancel, like that is 5a minus 1 will cancel, and answer is 5a plus 1. Example number 8, last example of this practice set. 1 minus 2x plus x square, we can expand this. First term 1. Now 1 square root of 1 is 1, middle term sign minus, square of last x bracket square. Okay, see here 1 square 1 minus 2ab, 2 into 1 2, 2x plus square of second x square, upon here cube 1 minus x cube means a cube minus b cube, first bracket 1 minus x cube root of both, second bracket square of first term 1, sign will change, plus product of these two only x, square of second plus x square multiplied by, as it is, we cannot expand, upon as it is 1 plus x is equal to, now here this we can write 2 times, 1 minus x upon 1 minus x, here 1 plus x square multiplied by 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Last step, cancel like terms. 1 minus x cancel, this bracket will cancel, 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This is the simplified form of this. In this way we have completed practice set and we completed this chapter also.